Alright, my people, so welcome back. So, right now we're up on the apartment here. Here's a 2-bedroom apartment. So this is how it look like. Right here, so you have a bathroom. Eh? Alright, so we are there. So this is our starting point. So we scale out them. We are dropping a hole of tile right at the door. Yeah. Right up where the door tile again. Yeah, so around here saw the bedroom them. So this is our next bedroom. Yeah, this is our next bathroom. Yeah, so right now we're heading straight down the line with this here. So if we can go to the doorway, work our way back around. Yeah, so as you can see, work are going. So alright my people, so see it now. Yeah, so we're there. Yeah. Nice porcelain tile, white, 24 by 24. Yeah. So as I say, we have a whole of this to deal with. Down the line. So ready in here, so. This is how we are going down here, so. Alright. What you work out up there, Mr.?
Yeah, good. Say that by yourself. I've got that right up in this.
So we're there, so. Yeah, so this is another bedroom. Yeah, so take time of working out. Let's see how far we can reach for there. Get a late start. Yeah. So we start this now 1 o'clock. After 3. We're not going bad. We're not going bad at all with it. Let me say, straight down the line. Yeah, nice porcelain them. So we're going there. So we'll come all the way. Go into the bathroom. Right to the stairs. Yeah, so what I do now is try to come out of the way. Yeah, we're going to put the tile across here, so I know. And then I work my way down back there, so. So we take time to go on my people. So alright my people, so we're there upon it. So the floor up and running. Yeah, so this is how we're there now. So as I say, we have all of them part of the knockout. Right out there. Yeah, then 2 bathroom or some. Line up to get some tile in there. Yeah, so now we take time to go on. Work a floor. So as you can see, now we take time to go on, run out the tile them. While we are carrying some tile. Get some tile in another place. Yeah, so as I say, we are going to pack up some tile in my place now meanwhile. And they have a little bit of noise in my background to blow that and give me copyright. Can't talk another one of Milton. The music are playing in the background, man. Look how low you want to be in it, you know, you see, once it a play in it.
Copyright.
Copyright. They may not do one over there, man. I mean, not even a penny say, you don't copyright, you know. But when we say you hardly can hear it.
Yeah, man, that pick you up, man.
But YouTube sensitive. Give me copyright on it, blood, please. I couldn't cut out, you know, but through me I say, you hardly can hear it.
What's up? They're not on lunch. They're not on lunch.
I don't know, you know. find out still. Not. Yeah, we'll come back around here when then grow it up this year. Alright, my people, so I can say the unit done. Oi! What? Yes, my people, so I can say we're done and growth up. Baseboard Japan. Yeah. Nice white tile, porcelain 24 by 24. As I can see the place, baseboard out. Yeah, so this is the bathroom. One of the bathroom. So we have 3 bathrooms in that unit, yeah. Bathroom I got ceiling. Yeah, so them ceiling is a 10-foot ceiling. Right up there. Yeah, nice and sweet. So this is basically the living area. So then you only take care of 2 bedroom. Come through, man. Oi! So as I say, my people, you only take care of 2 bedroom. Yeah, 3 bathroom in them. So this is the next bathroom. Yeah, so then just tile over the shower. Yeah, so this is the bedroom. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to put up a closet there, so. Yeah. So I'm going to the next bedroom now. Yeah. So this is the next bathroom as well. Same tile used in the whole of the bathroom them. As I said, the bathroom them just go over the shower. Yeah, floor nice and sweet. Same thing around here, so you know, say. Right here, so again, I'm going to put the next closet. It's a nice unit on the third floor with a balcony. A nice white tile. So I'm say some 24 by 24 porcelain. Yes, my people. So you know, if you watch the video to this far and not subscribe as yet, touch up the subscription button, man. Yeah, like and share the video. You know, leave your comment in the comment section. You know, tell me what you think about the job them. Yes, my people. So let me say it's a nice view from the third floor. Give you a view of the outside balcony here, so. Yeah, 24 by 24 porcelain, same way. Yeah, as you can see, the rail, glass railing up. Yeah, so this is what the balcony look like. Yeah, everything nice and sweet. Yeah, nice look of view. Yeah, floor is sweet, my people, trust me. So alright, my people, you know where to go. Yeah, so I want to say big up to all of the supporters, them, you know. People that might support the thing straight through. Enough respect every time. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, all of the ups, comment supporters, same way. Don't know it, go?